microscope or magic? AmScope UHM210-11 zooms into another universe. Seriously, it's wild. Ever felt like you're battling your tools more than your work? Yeah, we've been there, hovering over your micro project with some dusty old magnifier, hands cramping, eyes straining, and still missing the fine detail. Whether you're into circuit soldering, biological study, or just trying to zoom into something that matters, the struggle is real. Cheap microscopes lag. They wobble, blur, crash your software, or worse, just quit when you need them most. The result? Wasted time, fried nerves, and motivation circling the drain. Sound familiar? Then you're gonna need to see what we just put under the lens, literally. It's not just frustrating. It's creativity killing. Deadlines are creeping, your lab partner's breathing down your neck, your soldering iron's cooling, and your visuals are stuck at potato quality. Your productivity nosedives, burnout starts whispering sweet nothings, and worst of all? You know it's not you, it's your garbage gear. You lose out on quality, accuracy, and those aha moments. You didn't sign up to wrestle tech, you wanted to see the invisible, solve the microscopic, and own your workflow. So why are you still stuck with shaky setups and cave-era image capture? Enter the AmScope UHM210-11, the lab hero nobody told you about. This isn't your grandma's microscope. This 1080p digital beast with a 2MP sensor, HDMI output, and articulating arm gives you the god-tier clarity you've been dreaming of. View real-time images in full HD, snap pics and videos with a tap, and flex between angles like a boss with its 11-inch triple-joint arm. Those dual LED ring lights? One for soft spread, one for razor texture. You control the vibe. Mounted on any desk, fire up your monitor or PC, and boom, you've got a full-on micromedia studio at your fingertips. It's like upgrading your eyes, no surgery required. The perks? Oh, they're spicy. We're talking seamless HDMI display, microSD and USB recording, adjustable focus and zoom, and enough optical range to make ant legs look like redwoods. The articulating arm is a dream, rotate, lock, and fine-tune with one hand while the other gets stuff done. Setup is shockingly simple, and even Windows users get bonus image editing tools for next-level flex. Whether you're repairing, researching, or just zooming into weird bugs for fun, hey, no judgment, this rig simplifies your workflow, hones your focus, and upgrades your lab status instantly. Curious? You should be. Act fast, before these vanish like bacteria in bleach. Thousands of makers, techs, and tinkerers are already leveling up with this game-changing setup. Stock won't last, especially with nerds like us buying backups. So don't wait. Don't settle. Take the plunge into crystal-clear detail, intuitive control, and lab-grade versatility. Whether you're a student, a scientist, or a soldering legend in the making, the AmScope UHM210-11 will blow your mind. Click that link, grab yours, and see what you've been missing. Seriously. This is the one. Let's zoom in on greatness.